Somebody speak very
Or the therapy by methods of nature, which is initiated by a Reverend Father and beautifully taken by Yuva from Saram. What impresses me to come before this audience and to inaugurate this beautiful place is something which me and Dr. Yuva were discussing a few minutes ago. Our Indian culture was something very great. But in the course of time we forgot the culture and started something new. And the food habits, health habits, all these things changed, resulting in chaotic health conditions. Today, many of us are suffering natural calamity inside our body. You need a nature therapist to cure the calamity inside your body. The same thing, because we are not keeping our health in a natural way, we have also destroyed the nature outside. The entire world is now suffering from great distress. And that is now visible in Kerala. Therefore, whether it is inside or outside, nature has to be cherished, protected, and also regenerated. And that is the message of Yuva, which I want people to understand and take this therapy to the next generation as the best medicine and not any other allopathic way of treatment. Of course, you can have for emergency, but people have to learn to live the most natural manner possible. I wish this institution, Yuva Therapy Center, a great success. And as I've been always telling Dr. Bharat, I'm roping in a lot of people, big, small, of all colors of the society, so that they will understand there is something important in this technology. And before I end, I thank Yuva's Guru for guiding him to open up a clinic like this. The reason is this: the entire world, when it was a place of uncultured uncivilized India was a great nation, far ahead in civilization. There was so much in our culture which we forgot because we did not know how to pass it on to the next generation. Now this technique, according to me, is a God's gift, not human gift. It's God's gift. And that Father has handed over to Yuva, and he has been kind enough to pass it on to others. This is the symbol of the new era where we have to promote our technology, our abilities to the world, like yoga. So I wish him all the great success, and I wish more people come into this fold. Thank you very much, all the best.